We are gathered here today, as previous speakers have said already, with heavy hearts about this tragic and devastating untimely departure of our three young, dedicated police constables. There is no amount of words that can or shall, be it now or in the future, shake or describe what we are going through. I'd like to say to the families, as South African Police Service, we are sorry that you gave us your two daughters and son, very fresh, working, energetic, dedicated to do the work. And we are bringing them back in this fashion which they are. It is not our wish and will. However, it is those untimely incidents that sometimes go along.
Out of respect of the families, I hadn't been covering the story because, first of all, the three constables were reported as missing and a search went out, and obviously this was not the end result that everybody was hoping for. We did just hear a clip right here from the National Police Commissioner, General Fani Masemola, give pay his tribute to the three, I would say, fallen officers. And a lot of words that were used were how energetic they were, how dedicated they were. And he said that we are sorry you gave us your two daughters and sons, and we're bringing them back in this fashion. What a heartbreaking sentence, because they were all young. They were young officers who had made a mark in their profession. They were very young in their profession. They still had a lot of years ahead of them, but already as constables, they had already made their mark in their careers at their very, very young and tender age. They were all under the age of 30, all under the age of 30. And the question still remains today: what happened before the vehicle overturned? And right now, the police are definitely treating this, and they do believe that it was an accident. They say it was a rainy night, they were speeding, and they're treating this as an evidence. But in the event that any evidence shows otherwise, they will definitely be investigating this because, of course, the three officers deserve that. But most importantly, their surviving family members who are just inconsolable, heartbroken. They deserve to know what happened in those final moments of their loved ones who simply were going to work. They were supposed to be going to work from the Free State all the way to Limpopo, and unfortunately, they never made it to their final destination. Thank goodness as well that they have loving people around them who started to notice that nope, they're not responding to their phones, and action was taken. A little bit delayed, but action was eventually taken. Um, Mourners have also described the three police constables whose bodies were retrieved from the Henops River in Centurion last week as dedicated officers of the law who had a bright future in the police service. They have been praised for raising the flag of the province while deployed in Limpopo. A memorial service was held at the Bobby's Park Hall in Bloemfontein. Constable Cebekulu Linda Boipelo Sinoge Kiamogetse Buys went missing on the 23rd of April while on their way from Bloemfontein to their deployment area in Limpopo. What is absolutely heartbreaking is that two of them were actually on duty and one wanted to escort their friends, and two of them were in a relationship together. This is such a huge blow to their families who are just absolutely unconsolable. So I wanted to share this clip with you. You can go ahead and add your best wishes for the families in the comment section down below. as a nation. This was a devastating news. It rocked the nation. It took over. It took over the media as well, and it just showed how the police can come together and search so many departments. It also took the divers who finally were able to pull them out, to pull out the car, continue searching for the other half, and so on. But with respect for the family, um, I just wanted to share this with you so that their memories may live on. Thank you for watching. I'll definitely catch you on my next upload. You already know. Remember to like this video, share this video so that more people can hear the words from the police commissioner, the National Police Commissioner, who will be attending each and every one of their funerals. The funerals are going to start Thursday. They'll be buried separately. However, the National Police Commissioner is going to be in attendance of all the funerals. As well, investigations are still underway. So continue to share this video so that more people can get to know that they had their memorial service yesterday and that their funerals will be upcoming as well. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on my next upload.